This is a quick video on how to get a quick complete repairing an LG gasket retainer that has a broken off door closer. If you work on these, I'm sure you've seen this. It used to be something like that. Obviously it's not working quite right. All you need to do is remove the screw and broken piece of plastic. Throw that right away. Take an 1/8 inch drill and drill out the hole just a little bit. The shaft is actually a little bigger than 1/8 of an inch, and you do want a really tight fit. What you're going to be doing is pushing the shaft inside of the door closer. So using a block of wood and a vice grip, slide the shaft right out, hang on to all the pieces using a hammer. Block of wood, not on the customer's floor preferably. Push it in until it's just even with the end of the plastic. Grab your retainer, slide things back together. And bingo, it's fixed. I've done about 20 of these. Haven't got a recall on one yet. I think the key here is probably just to get a very tight fit between the retainer and the shaft. All it's doing is just flexing the whole plastic shaft to pull that gasket away when the door closes. It seems to work just as good as it used to, almost better. With the ease that these seem to be breaking off with, I think this should be a good fix. That is it.